In this world where time is money, who has the time to watch a full YouTube video? A video, let's face it, that has been produced to be just the right length to attract the maximum amount of ad revenue. Just the Facts is designed to be concise and to the point, no extra fluff to drag things out. We aim to provide a snapshot of the main findings, conclusions, and recommendations of the video, allowing you to understand the essence and key points without having to watch the whole thing. Just the Facts zooms in on the most important aspects of the video and ensures you understand the core ideas, arguments, findings, without getting lost in the meaningless details. Just the Facts summary videos provide you with the necessary information needed to make informed decisions without the need for in-depth analysis of the entire original video. Just the Facts summary videos make the content more accessible to a broader audience. Not everyone has the expertise or the interest to understand the technical details or the complex analysis presented in the full video.